Can a president almost die because of something ridiculous? This isn't a movie. This really happened to Andrew Jackson. So here's what happened. One day, a man tried to assassinate Andrew Jackson with a pistol. But strangely, the gun didn't fire. Not just once. 2 pistols, and both of them misfired. And what's even crazier, instead of running away, the elderly Andrew Jackson actually went berserk and beat the attacker with his cane. People around him had to pull him back because he was too brutal. Later, it was revealed, if even one of those pistols had fired, he would have likely died on the spot. So, this president survived not because of tight security, but because of pure luck from 2 broken guns.